Do you want some more juice, Carl?
No, thanks. But please, tell me who some of these people are before I talk to them.
Sure.
Okay. First, which one is your boss?
Oh, Helen. She's the woman over there in that group. See? The tall one there with the short blonde hair. Do you see who I mean?
Oh, yeah. The woman on the left?
Yes. And that's Sylvia, my best friend at the office.
Oh, Sylvia. The one you're always talking about. Which one is she?
She's the one with the curly black hair, with the round face. She's sitting with the guy in the blue shirt. She's really funny. We always make each other laugh.
And who's that guy over there with the, dark eyebrows and dark hair?
Oh, the big guy? The one who's talking to Helen? That's Danny, the security guard. He's really helpful.
And, how about that muscular guy there? Who's he? He looks familiar.
Oh, the man in blue jeans? He's not very tall, right? That's, Helen's assistant.
What's his name?
Oh, that's Ben.
I think I've seen him at the gym.
Well, come on, Carl. Don't be shy. Let me introduce you around, and then we can find out exactly.